In this lecture, we are going to learn about how you can rename Linux group or how you can delete Linux group. So in the last lecture, we created one group, that is DBA group. Let's say I want to rename that DBA group with some another name. How to do that? First of all, whenever you want to perform such kind of activities, your user should be a root user or sudo user. So we are using a sudo user only here. Now how to do that? In order to rename, you can use group mode -n, that is a new name, old group name and new group name, group mode -n. Let's try to see it practically. We are going to change the name of our DBA group to install. Let's see how we can do that. So first of all, let's check the syntax, how to rename a group. Group mode -n, new group name and old group name. So we have group group mode -n, new group name. Let's say I want to give the new group name as 𝑜install and the older group name was DBA. Permission denied. So we need to run this activity command with the help of sudo user. What happened? Now there is no more group available with the DBA. If I just open this file, you can see that there is any 𝑜install. Let me grep it. Grep is the command like very important whenever you want to search something. Let's say I'm searching with DBA, I don't see anything. 𝑜install, yes, I got it, because DBA group has been renamed to 𝑜install now. Okay, we got to know how to rename a group. Now second thing is we'll try to understand about how you can delete a group. In order to delete a group, the command is group del. Very simple. Group, first of all, clear the screen. Clear the screen, it's not important, you know, it's not like a compulsory step. This is just for my, like I should see my command to be on the top. That's why I'm clearing the screen. Sudo group del and the group name. Now we don't have DBA group because DBA we have just renamed it. Now we have 𝑜install group. So spelling should be correct and capital small letter, that is really important. Now if you try to find out this 𝑜install group in the cat/etc/ here, this is one file, you are not able to see any output because we have just deleted the group. This is how you can delete the group. This is how you can create a group. This is how you can rename group. We have seen a lot of activities in the group. I hope this is pretty much clear for you. Thank you.